over 109,000 visitors from Google 100% free without SEO and make $128,000 in affiliate commissions. Completely passive income. Sounds good? This is going to be the topic of this video, and I'm going to share step-by-step process. So any beginner or a professional, agency owner or business owner, a busy parent, employer, employee, anyone can do it. We are doing it every day. This is our results and you can start today. And along the way, I will break down the secrets behind these numbers. So stay tuned till the end of the video and don't miss a single section. This can be done without a website, without technical knowledge, without mailing list, and without hosting server, without even a single social media following. It can be done even if you're starting today. But a fair warning, this is not a get rich quick scheme, and you will not make millions of dollars overnight, but you will build a solid income system from the power of internet and your computer and your phone. You will build a lot of followings and people will love you along the way. Let us begin. Okay, so the secret of making money online is, instead of thinking about how I am going to make money, why am I not making money, think more about what problems other people have and how I can help them. And the problem is this, that I cannot solve all the problems of all the people, but I can give them information. I can tell them the truth about what to do and what not. Or at least I can tell people where they can find information. And this gesture will make us money. So let me share how we do it and how you can do it starting today. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and social media walls like Facebook and Twitter walls. And subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. So like, share, and subscribe. Done? Let's begin. Our number one strategy is to make videos. But for that, we use cameras and microphones on this channel and a couple of other channels. But we have 20 plus more channels. We have TikTok, we have Instagram, Facebook, and we are increasing our channels in many different niches. How can we manage all this? I am a businessman. I don't have time to make videos for all the channels. And making videos using cameras and microphones is a hectic process. It's a long process. I love cameras and microphones, but not everyone. And that's why we built our artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Now, once you get inside Epic, you click on these pink help buttons here, and on the bottom left corner, they're the same buttons, by the way. They will take you to a page like this. Go through this page. There are simple and very short training videos, especially the first video. And there is a section called document training or something like that. Maybe we will change the wording in future. If you click here, it will take you to a document-based training where you'll see screenshots and details about what is where. Epic makes videos using image and text. You have Epic free to start. Link is in the description to make videos. Epic is our video creation software that makes videos without cameras and microphones using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes a script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic has the ability to take any text right here. I just paste the text here, and if I click submit, immediately all these sections will be generated. Each of these sections will be each paragraph of the text. And also links are in the description for all details. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button, then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit, and in a matter of seconds on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Here is an awesome part why we don't use microphone when we use Epic and why Epic is completely beginner friendly, because there is an audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover files, super awesome. Or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section where you can click add and paste any text. That text will turn into natural sounding voiceover in just one click. So we don't need to record ourselves. Give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. And because we make our videos in small sections and we can save our work and come back later to finish this work, it's a completely lazy process. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20+ channels. So we don't need to stress about shooting long video and a tedious editing process. It's life made easy for complete beginners. So we can make videos. My 6-year-old son can make videos. Any beginner, team member, and Epic users make videos in just clicks, drags, drops, etc. So our videos are story-based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build. That gets us thousands of clicks. Now all the helps are in this help page, and even there is a document training for quick guidance. All the softwares we have talked about are free to start. Links are in the description. Go grab them. Or you can just browse epic.ai. Links are in the description. So making videos are easy for us. We can publish on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and all the different video channels, and helping people with the information they want. Now let me share how we find what people are looking for. To be honest, we enjoy our lives browsing around, watching videos, and Googling around about topics. So example, how to lose weight. The moment we add a space, Google gives us more and more options. These are the options that people are looking for. So we'll choose one, without, then we choose exercise, then we choose and diet, then we in a week, and we came to this page and we see all these articles about this topic. But it's a long key phrase. Look at this. How to lose weight without exercise and dieting in a week. It's a very specific people who are looking to lose weight without exercise, without diet, but in a week. And we found this article. Now it's a long article and it has 23 tips. Now we went to Ubersuggest, one of our most favorite keyword research tool and traffic and content research tool, even competition analysis tool. So we put the main domain of the website here. It is under the traffic section, top pages by traffic. And we got all these results and the estimated visitors per month. Now, if you look at this particular article, which we found on the second page of this search on Google, it can be anywhere else as well. But the point is, this article gets 96,000 visitors. Now wait, you might be asking, Mosh, why are we talking about visitors? Yes, we are talking about visitors, and we are talking about visitors from Google, but there is no Google. And where is my money? Is that you are thinking? Well, let me reveal the first secret. The first secret of this income right here are all these hops. These hops are the clicks. The clicks are generated by the website visitors, or the visitors, in one word, online traffic. Now I will reveal the second secret, which is right here in a later part of the video, that will tell you how to get a predictable income. So you can predict how much money you are going to make this month, coming month, in a year without any tension about the recession or inflation. Sounds good? Let's carry on. So all these 96,000 visitors per month coming to only this article. That's a wow. Theoretically, we can say $96,000 are generated from this article alone. Now your question is, Mosh, where is Google traffic? For me, the Google traffic is right here on Pinterest. Look at this. This article was shared on Pinterest, repinned over and over by Pinterest users 28,000 times. Because this article is so lucrative to them, this is how Pinterest looks like, and these are the results on Pinterest for the same search. Now, why am I showing you Pinterest? Because Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, 1 billion, and 26% of this traffic or visitors are from Google, because Pinterest pins get indexed and ranked on Google a lot. So all this traffic siphoning from Google to Pinterest are ultimately coming to your site if you share your content on Pinterest. Now Pinterest is very easy. Basically, you just have to create an account and go to create and create pin. Look what others are doing and create an image accordingly. You will get hundreds of thousands of free templates on Canva and everywhere else for your Pinterest use. Upload that image here, talk about the topic, mainly the headline of the topic, and this is your website link. Now you might be asking two things. What topic are you going to write on your website? And you don't have a website, or you hate website. You hate content creation. And that's why we created Maven. We use Maven to borrow anyone's content and rewrite it using AI. Maven is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. The Maven free access page will look like this. When you go down below, you'll find 2.5 minute long demo where we shows everything how to use Maven. Basically, you simply copy this URL of any website, put it on Maven, and then one click of a button, Maven will rewrite the whole content for you. You can then add free image similar to this, or other images or videos you want, your affiliate links if you want, your opt-in pages if you want, and one push of a button, the article is published without domain, without hosting server, without writing content. You have an awesome content. You want to add more to the content? That's also free. Go do it. Also, you can use artificial intelligence. Go to app.texta.ai. Free to start. Link is in the description. Just put your topic and you can go advanced mode or you can go simple mode. The simple mode is simple. Just click generate article, wait for a second, talk to someone, send some text message, or just have fun watching how the AI is writing for you, and in a matter of seconds, the 788 words is written. Now you want to add more, you can go add more, paragraph, sentence, all will be done using AI. If you want to change a couple of things, you can. Well, basically, this was a 23 tips, but this is a 25 best ways. So why don't you just take it, publish it on Maven or your own website, and go to Pinterest. Share your content. Pinterest will send you Pinterest traffic from 1 billion visitors per month that they have, or the traffic that are coming from Google already on Pinterest, they will visit you. But it's all Google traffic. Try Maven, link in the description. Maven also comes with automatic Pinterest share option, so there is a huge opportunity free to start. Now you know the secret of free hops or free clicks, but what about the other secret I was talking about? The other secret is dollar per hop. As you keep generating clicks on your affiliate links and you keep earning affiliate commissions, you will soon establish this number. Now for this account, for this case, particular this section, my dollar per hop is $1.16, which is not bad at all. But if you reveal the whole image, it's not the same for everyone. The average is $1.16, but there are products I promoted as an affiliate that gave me $4.32 dollar per hop as well. So if I continue to send traffic, which means if I continue to send traffic to this offer, I will continue to make $4.32 per click. So 1,000 clicks will give me $4,329. $20. 2,000 clicks will be $8,000 and 5,000 clicks will be $20,000. But we keep changing offers, try different offers. So this happens, but it's still okay because the traffic is free. All you have to do is to start using Epic and publish your simple videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, because people love videos and they click on links more on videos. Videos are easy to share your thoughts with the people, build following easily, get more clicks easily. And when you make videos, you can take the thumbnail of the video, upload here, or take a screenshot of your video, upload here, talk about the video topic, and put your video destination right here, and you will get free traffic from Pinterest. It's so easy. You should do it and start today. But if you want to take the website route, you can still do it. Use Maven from the link in the description. It is free to start. Your life will be easy. Now you might be asking, Mosh, what am I gonna promote as an affiliate? The answer is Clickbank. It's one of the places that you can go for. Create a free Clickbank account, log into your Clickbank account, go to Marketplace, and for health and fitness or weight loss, you can go to health and fitness section and you'll get exercise and fitness, mental health, men's health, diets and weight loss, dietary supplements. There are so many things you can promote. So basically in your content, you should mention, hey, if you want more, if you want faster, if you want blah blah blah. Let's say for this offer, if you click on this offer, you will see a headline. You can always say, hey, if you want to know more about the original #1 best-selling smoothie weight loss plan, delicious, easy to make smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy, and incredible health, click the link here or in the description, in the first comment, in the bio. People will click and people will buy. Do you know why? Because before that, you shared valuable, helpful, simple information with them, and you already built a rapport with them. So they are ready to buy from you. This is exactly what happens to us. See, we are making this video. It's completely open and we are giving away valuable information for free. This way we are building rapport with you, right? Relationship with you, trust with you. You're gonna do the same with your content. So focus on helping people instead of focusing on cameras and microphone. Epic will help you do that. It's free to start. Link is in the description. Maven will help you do that. It's free to start. Link is in the description. And AI softwares are time, money, and lifesavers. Link is in the description. So the summary is, use Epic and make simple videos that people are looking for using image and text and AI. Or use Maven and make simple websites containing information that people are looking for. Then go to place like Pinterest, where there are 1 billion visitors exist and 1/4 of the traffic comes from search engine or Google, and the remaining traffic are their own. This way you are getting traffic from Google by posting your content on a free platform without the hassle of SEO. Plus, when you make videos, all the video channels will be open for you for traffic. YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, on all these channels, people watch videos the whole day and you will get free traffic. All these traffic are basically coming from Google, but you are taking it without doing search engine optimization. So focus on what people are looking for, what other websites are publishing, and get traffic. Follow the big whales and you will get a lot of fish for free. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online. You can participate in this noble mission by simply hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, social media walls like Facebook and Twitter walls. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one. Just a quick reminder, all our softwares that will make your life easy for making simple videos, simple websites, without the hassle of recording yourself, writing content by yourself, are in the description. They are all free to start. Go ahead, grab them, start today. And we'll see you in the next video.